Hi everyone, Peter Manju here. Previously I reviewed Quantum Zero USB Type-C to Type-A OTG adapter. After that I was thinking test this adapter mode. Today I'm going to test my Logitech mouse. Let's begin with the test. Okay, I got my OTG cable, Type-C to Type-A cable. I'm using this mobile phone, Galaxy M30s mobile phone. After that, we use this calculation mouse to test. Okay, for now, I'm going to connect this OTG cable. I connected my OTG cable, Type-C to Type-A and mouse. Both are connected now. Now we can see scroll to go to the next page. My computer. Now I'm going to open some of the application and then let me check how it works. Okay, here we go. So there we go. There is Instagram. We need just one click to open that. We scroll this. We will go to the next page. For the indication, the optical mouse is on. The optical light. Okay, there we go. There it is. I'm a little bit confused with how we can bring the main menu. I'm not sure. I'm just just click as like same as like touch, just swiping the up and down, same like hold on the left button on your mouse and then just drag it up and down. So continue to the menu. And now opening the game. The game Candy Crush. I'm going to open Candy Crush, then let's see how it works. Okay, the Candy Crush is open. I'm gonna skip all the things and directly go play the game. Okay, what the hell is that? What the heck was that? Alright. Good. Okay, there it is. Okay. Alright. It's looking pretty good. Yeah, for now it's working great. I'm going to skip this one. Just menu. It's like it's a bit finicky with this one. If we have hands, we can just scroll. It will go up. But with the mouse, it's a two-length process. That's okay. For playing games and all things, maybe it works great.